In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best laptop for CAD available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need the best laptop for CAD, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best Laptop for CAD. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. LG Gram 17Z95P Laptop. 17-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS LCD, with DCI-P 399% color expression. 11th generation Intel Core i7-1195 G7 processor. Intel Say Graphics delivers performance for high-resolution content creation and editing. 16GB LPDDR4X 4266 MHz RAM delivers a high level of performance. Improved productivity with 1TB PCIe M.2 NVMe SSD for dependable storage accessible in a flash. Number 4. Apple MacBook Pro 14-inch. Apple M1 Pro or M1 Max chip for a massive leap in CPU. 32-core GPU with up to 13x faster performance for graphics-intensive apps and games. 64GB of unified memory. 8TB of super-fast SSD storage. Stunning 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. 1080p FaceTime HD camera with advanced image signal processor for sharper video calls. 6-speaker sound system with force-canceling woofers. Number 3. MSI Stealth 15M Laptop. The 15.6-inch 144Hz display delivers true-to-life images with a high refresh rate. 11th General Intel Core i7 processor delivers high performance. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics. MSI's exclusive Cooler Boost technology ensures optimal thermal dissipation. 16GB of memory and 512GB of storage in our test model. 144Hz panel is perfect for gamers. Number 2. Asus TUF-15 Laptop. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics. Intel Core i7-11370H processor. 15.6-inch 144Hz IPS type Full HD display. 8GB DDR4 RAM. 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD. Good thermal management. Solid 1080p gaming ability. Good CPU for everyday tasks. Number 1. Acer Predator Helios 300 Laptop. 11th generation Intel Core i7-11800H processor. The latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics. This 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 IPS LED backlit display. 16:9 aspect ratio features an incredibly fast 144Hz refresh rate. 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory, 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.